In this video, I will be eating, or I don't know if I'm going to eat the whole thing, but this candy bar. Oh, Shane Chocolate Works. Dark, now, you know what intrigues me is this dark milk chocolate. What is that? What's dark milk chocolate? What is dark chocolate, actually? I mean, it's a lot of... What is the difference between dark chocolate and milk chocolate? Much less dark milk chocolate. And here it is, made in Philadelphia for the Philadelphia Museum of Art. To celebrate the reopening of the Philadelphia Museum of Art's north entrance after more than 4 decades, has crafted this commemorative bar using caramel dark milk blend, finished off with hand-twisted salty pretzels from pretzels of Lebanon, PA. This is truly a local bar. Shane Confectionery is located in Old City, Philadelphia, and is America's oldest continuing operating confectionery. Proceeds of the bar: Best Buy, October. So today's what? Well, this is Super Sunday, 2022. What is it, February 14th? I don't know. And there's your ingredients. So now I'm gonna... How much do you think this cost? Well, if you said $10, you would have been correct. But I only paid $9 because I'm a member. I get 10% off. All right. So I'm gonna open this. I'm gonna need 2 hands. Here it is. There it is. Dark milk chocolate. It's kind of melting in my hands, sort of. Dark milk. I wonder how many calories are in that. It doesn't really stink. Well, it's not bad. Not great. It's not great. Dark milk. What's dark chocolate? What? Yeah. Right. All right. Now, I just want to finish this candy bar. What? Well, you're not supposed to eat here? Oh, yeah, you're right. Yeah, you're not supposed to eat. Yeah. All right. Oh, okay. Okay. All right. I'm sorry. All right. I'm sorry. Okay. Thank you very much. Yeah. Thank you very much. Yeah. Here we go. Well, okay. All right.